Welcome to our executive interview series at the UiPath Together Summit. I'm Wyatt Cash with Scoop News Group, and we're here with Mark Adams, Vice President, Technology and Engineering at Peraton. Mark, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
I'd like to start with getting your take on how you're seeing automation evolving from traditional back office services to more mission-centric activities.
Yeah, so Peraton is a company that works on some of our customers' most important and critical projects related to missions of consequence. And in that, automation is becoming more and more important because the decision tree, the time to make a decision about a threat or about something that is happening in the environment, is becoming more and more important. So we're beginning to see that it's really important that we learn how to automate the way we put data together and then give our customers, which in many cases might be DoD or Intel customers, the ability to make decisions quicker, because those decisions could actually affect people's lives, our country, our safety. And so what we're seeing now is with the push into automation, we're beginning to see different kinds of applications that are popping up to begin to bring together data that maybe hadn't been brought together, where analysts, for instance, might be getting data from 3 different places and having to do it manually by going from different tools. What automation can do for us is allow us to do that in the background, having machines do for the person what the person would have to do manually, and then allowing the humans to actually make the decisions that are critical, and giving them all the information, making sure it's accurate, and validating that information. So we really see automation as a critical part of the future of the responding quickly to what we call the OODA loop, which is the decision tree that's used to make critical decisions.
Absolutely. And then I'd like to get your take as well on, how do organizations decide on prioritizing which processes or parts of processes to automate? How can they do that more effectively, and how do you see that evolving?
Yeah, so one of the things that we're doing at Peraton with our customers is we go in and we talk to them about what we call our digital transformation roadmap. So customers across the board are talking about wanting to transform their enterprise into a digital enterprise, into a data-centric model. And so we have this engineering process that we've integrated into our systems engineering and software engineering organization, where we go in and we will work with customers on building a roadmap, essentially helping them understand what is the as-is of their processes. We walk them through those processes. We say, where do you want to be? What things are critical to your success? What are your largest challenges, your risks? And then we walk them through that process, and then we help them prioritize. Okay, what do we want to digitize first? What applications are most critical that are going to help your organization accomplish its mission? So our digital transformation roadmap has helped us with a number of customers in the space environment, in the DoD environment, and even in the civil organizations across the board.
Well, Mark Adams, thank you so much for sharing those examples with us and joining us here at the UiPath Together Summit.
Thank you very much.